is Julie and welcome to my channel. And in this video I am going to show you how to make this cute little headband. So without further ado, let's get started on making my headband. To make my headband, I'm using this acrylic yarn. It looks like it's about a size 4 or 3. And I'm going to use a size F hook. So to start out, we are going to make a chain of 11. Okay, just as a note, you want to leave a tail, just a long enough tail to sew the other end of the headband. Okay, now we're chaining 11. Okay, we have chained 11. In the second chain from hook, we're going to do a single crochet. We're going to do a single crochet in the next 2 chains. We're going to chain 3. And we're going to skip 4 chains. And then we're going to single crochet in the last 3 chains. That's 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1, and we're going to turn. We're going to do a single crochet into each of our 3 single crochets. We're going to chain 2. Now we're going to do a single crochet around this chain 4 space and chain 3 space. So we're going to single crochet around those. Chain 2 and single crochet into these last 3 single crochets. Okay, so now we are going to start our 3-row repeat. So chain 1, single crochet in each of the next 3 single crochets. We're going to chain 4. And then we're going to do a single crochet in the last 3 single crochets. Chain 1 and return. Single crochet in the first 3 single crochets. Chain 3, then we're going to skip these chain 4s, single crochet in the last 3 single crochets, chain 1 and turn, single crochet in the first 3 single crochets, chain 2, and then we're going to do a single crochet around the chain 4 and the chain 3 space, chain 2, and then single crochet in the last 3. Okay, so you're going to repeat those 3 rows till your headband is at the length you want it. Could be like 16 inches for like a child or a small head, or up or longer to like the standard about 20 to 21 inches. So whatever length you want your headband. Keep in mind it might stretch a little. So, and also keep in mind you want to, it'd be ideal to end it where your tail would be on the opposite end of your beginning tail. So I'm going to keep making my headband until it is the length I want it, and then I'm going to sew it up and finish it off. Okay, now you can tell from the camera I got this the length that I want it. And again, you also note that my tails are on the opposite end because we're going to use one tail to sew up against the 3 single crochets on either side. And if they don't match, and if by chance you got both tails on the same side, well, you just, it doesn't matter that you get it, you want it the length you want it, but I thought it'd be more convenient to have your tails ending on opposite sides. So all we're going to do now is just sew up both ends of our headband, and we're just going to sew along the 3 stitches on the end. Okay, turn you around. We're just going to again sew just along the 3 single crochets, or the 3 stitches of our foundation row on our ends. That way we can keep the established little bow pattern in our headband. All right, there you have it. There is my headband. Let me know what you think in the comments about this headband, and if you plan on making one for yourself, or if you're going to make it as a gift. And as a recording of the video, it is coming up on a holiday, so this could make a cute little gift for somebody. And you can make it adjustable if you make it the length you want. So if you need it for a child, you can make it smaller or bigger. Or if you want your headband a little thinner, you could go down in your hook size and your yarn weight. I think this turned out just fine. So if you did like this tutorial, please give it a like. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank you, as always, for watching. And I will see you in my next video. Bye now.